Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning my living room. It looks like a tornado hit. A tornado. However, it didn't, but outside it is raining. It is thundering, and my goal this weekend was to get out there and get my backyard together. But unfortunately, I haven't been able to spend much time out there because of this rain. So today we're just getting in the insides, getting it clean, and getting some clothes folded and a whole bunch of stuff. So if you need some cleaning motivation, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time seeing me in my home, I would love for you to subscribe down below. Also click that like button if you like cleaning motivational videos, and leave me a comment below. I really love file folding my clothes. It just makes it so easy to find things, to pull things out without messing them up for myself and for my son. And as you can see, I am watching TV while I'm folding because this is my least favorite task. Okay, y'all, so I tell my son, put your games away when you're done with him. Let me show you what I just discovered. It's kind of dark. Hold on.
Listening to Audible inspire you to start something new. Download Audible and listen for a change.
Tonight on another incredible Cool Bear, the cast of The Big Bang Theory is here. Most people I assume are now running
So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 games. Just sitting there for fun.
So I totally improvised and figured, hey, I got a lot more stuff to take upstairs, and why not use this Costco box while I'm at it? So I used it to take 2 trips upstairs and sort things where they belong. So it's time to finally put away the Easter stuff. I only had a few things in here, but I loved this blanket and I love the candle and the really pretty egg, so I'm definitely going to miss seeing them each and every day.
Do you guys see this pouring rain? I was supposed to be cleaning up my yard.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not. Smash that like button and leave me a comment down below. I will see you in the next cleaning motivational video. Stay blessed.